So this tutorial is about OBS and DroidCam. So how can we connect our OBS and DroidCam at the same time to use it sa ating Google Chrome. So first, okay. So saan ba natin makikita si OBS? So first thing is you can search it sa Google. And then you can see here yung OBS Open Broadcaster software. Just simply click the download link. Okay. So yan, mapupunta tayo sa OBS. We have the download installer here. So version natin as of August 15, 2020 is version 25.08. So you have to download yung download installer or download installer 32-bit. So to know kung ano yung inyong computer or architecture ng inyong computer, you just go to your control panel or simply you can press window page break kung may page break na key sa inyong keyboard. So as you can see here, yan, meron tayong 64-bit OS architecture. So if you don't have, or kung 32 ang nakalagay dito, you download the 32-bit. But simple tip, sa 32-bit sometimes hindi nagwo-work ang OBS or nagkakameron ng konting or slight problem with that. Okay, then sa memory naman, at least you should have at least a minimum of 4 gig memory. Okay, so I will not download this anymore kasi may naka-install na ako sa aking desktop. So after that, you can also search yung ating OBS virtual camera. Okay, so OBS virtual camera, para saan ba to? So it is an add-on sa ating OBS, sa ating main program. Okay, ang gagawin natin dito is para maging virtual camera natin siya at magamit natin siya sa Google Chrome or sa Zoom. Okay, so download nyo lang din OBS virtual cam there. And then install. So once na you install this, sometimes may nagkakameron ng problem like lumalabas yung existing na daw yung folder. So you'll just accept it, click yes, and then it will install para makomplete yung installation. Okay, the next thing we need is the DroidCam. Okay, so simply search the DroidCam. So under the dev47apps.com, click lang natin yung link na dev47apps. Okay. And then here, pwede nyo siyang i-download. So kung naka Android kayo, download it sa Play Store. If you have an iPhone device, so download it sa Apple App Store. And then we have here sa client for Windows. So ito yung ating need for the PC. And then client for the Linux. So ang partner ko na gagamitin dito is yung aking Android phone and then yung ating Windows client. So just simply click this and then download the DroidCam client version 6.3.1. So sometimes pag merong hindi nagwo-work sa inyong DroidCam, best make sure balik lang kayo sa page na to, tingnan nyo kung merong updates or the application itself naman nag-auto update siya. Basta merong updates, just click yung updates para to make sure na smooth and running lagi yung ating application. Okay, so we're gonna close this. So we'll go straight to our OBS. So OBS Studio. Okay. So sa ating main screen, we have here yung scene. Okay, ito yung important part. Sources, then our audio, and then we have the sync transition and yung ating mismo mga controls pa dito. And then yung kanina, yung virtual cam, dito natin makikita siya under the tools. So if you haven't installed the virtual cam yet, wala kang makikita ang virtual cam na option dito. But once successful yung installation, lalabas yung virtual cam, and then simply click yung auto start. So for the first time, naka-stop kasi siya. So you just click the auto start and then click yung start button. Okay, so like this, auto start. So kung minsan nagkamali kayo, apat yung napili yung camera, lalabas dito OBS camera 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, just make sure lang na nakapili lang yung first or yung OBS camera lamang. So, kung one camera lang or one virtual camera lang yung na-install natin, so, yan, mag-isa lang siya dito. Then, just click the start. So, the next time na i-open natin yung ating OBS, we don't have to go here anymore. Okay, so, dire-diretso na lang tayo. Okay, so, scene. So, you can add more scenes here. So, kung ilan yung kailangan nating scenes. So, simply ito yung, kunwari, mag-change tayo ng background or mag-change tayo ng images na mabilisan or may nakasetup na as a group. So, dito natin mabilis masiselect siya. Okay, so to simply add scene, click the plus sign. To delete a scene, simply click yung ating minus sign or dash. Okay, so sa sources, for our image, for our video capture, we have here the mga options. Once we click the plus button, okay, we have the audio input capture, audio output capture, browser, color source, display capture, image. Okay, we have the video capture device and the window capture. Okay, so here, inisip ko muna ano muna yung background na ilalagay ko. For example, sige, maglagay muna tayo ng video capture device. Okay, so sa video capture, ang gagamitin ko is yung aking DroidCam. Okay, so click ko my DroidCam. Okay, so this one is webcam. So dito natin isi-select yung ating device kung anong gagamitin natin. So mapapansin nyo medyo malamlam yung color ng ating webcam. That's why mas prepared kong gamitin yung aking phone. Okay, so or DroidCam. So sa first, so kung hindi naka-open yung DroidCam, color orange pa lamang yan. So we're gonna open the DroidCam here, yung ating DroidCam client. So lalagay nyo lamang yung IP address dito na magdi-display sa inyong phone. So depending sa network, ibang IP address ang makikita nyo sa phone, as long as dapat same network ang inyong phone and ang inyong camera. Ang inyong laptop. Okay. We just simply start yung DroidCam. Yan. So once na nag-display, do not close this, but you can already minimize it. Yan. And then here, so na-add yung ating DroidCam, so just simply click kung saan siya dadalhin, or you can maximize it using yung mga red lines like this one. Okay, so kiniklik siya. So you can adjust using the size, that one. Okay, so ito yung gusto kong prepared or sa image or yung size na gusto kong makita sa aking camera. Okay, and then after that, click nyo lang sa yung kinrate nyo or yung inad nyong camera or video capture device. We just simply right click, okay, and then add tayo dito ng filters. Okay, so yan, filters. So kung hindi nyo kita yung plus sign, medyo maliit, so you can resize yung ating dialog box ng filters. And then mas maganda kasi nakikita nyo yung ating screen here at screen dito. Bakit? Mamaya. Okay, so click add and then Chroma Key. So ito yung favorite na lahat, Chroma Key. Chroma Key, okay. And then automatically nakaselect kasi ang key color type sa green. So that's why papapansin nyo wala na yung background. So dito sa ating preview, color gray siya. But since dito sa ating program, wala na siya color. So since wala rin tayong background na nilagay, so black lang siya. So dito nyo rin makikita kung smooth na ba yung mga sides. Yan, like this one. Yan. Okay. And so yung similarity, you can adjust some settings pa, but usually nasa default na lamang tayo. But if you want to have yung smooth, so yan, makikita natin yung smoothness ng side kasi dito sa, for example, yan, tingnan nyo yung main program. So pag in-adjust ko to, nakikita nyo yung side, yan, yung smooth siya, nawawala na yung green sa buhok. Okay, then close. Yan. Okay, so to put a background, just simply click the plus sign again, and then we'll add the image. Okay, so that's the image. Lagay ko lang dito is my background. Okay, and then click yung browse. Hanapin ko lang yung aking photo na gusto. Okay, so for example, yung ating library. Okay. Yeah, library background. Gusto ko siya. Yeah. So, nasa top siya. So, to move it down, or yung order natin, you just go here, click yung background, and then click the move down arrow. Yan. So, see, kanina black, kaya medyo kita natin yung clear yung sa filter natin na nag-smooth siya. But however, medyo nagiging transparent pa. So, we'll just click the My DroidCam, adjust ko ulit yung filters na na-create kanina. So, dito, mix nyo lang na konti kung ano yung mag-match depending sa inyong background, sa color, sa inyong ilaw, sa lighting conditions. Okay, so I'm gonna edit this one. So, adjust ko lang na konti yung aking similarity. Yan, para hindi ako masyadong nagiging transparent. Okay, that's it. So, that's how you do your chroma key background with DroidCam. Okay, so another thing is you can use dito sa OBS yung ating studio mode. Okay, so the studio mode is simply, for example, may gusto kayong ipalitan dito sa ating background. Simply click natin yung plus sign. For example, add lang tayo na isa pang image. Okay, so background 2. Ayan, add ko yung this one. Okay, so sobrang laki yung image, so I need to adjust, pero ayoko na magalaw yung aking isang background kanina at saka yung aking video or yung aking video capture device. So I'm just gonna click yung lock button para pag nag-adjust ko siya, in-adjust ko tong aking isang background. Ayan, hindi na natin magagalaw yung others na nakalagay. Okay, so for example, I put it here. So order ko siya, since bagong add nasa top siya, I put it down. Okay, or down. Simply click lang yung visibility or yung eye dito for the visibility. So kung for example dito sa my background, yan. So palitan ko siya. And then if I'm ready to show the background or to change the background, so dito sa program, ito yung nakikita ng ating magiging mga viewers sa Google Chrome later on. So click ko lang yung transition. Yan. So that's how you move. So dito pwedeng edit, or simply kung may additional scene ka dito, for example, so pwede siyang maging additional dito sa preview. So for example, I'm gonna put a media source here sa scene na to. Okay, so I'll add a media source at tayo ng sample videos like this one. So kung meron kayong mga pre-recorded na video, okay, just simply add it here. So once na click natin yung transition, yan, so automatic nag-play siya doon. And then the media source itself has an audio na maririnig ng ating mga viewers. Okay, so that's the use ng ating studio mode. And then yung ating scenes, if you want to change or to add. Okay, so next is to be able to display this sa inyong Google Chrome, simply add tayo ng ating Google Chrome here. Okay, so up ko lang to, lagin ko lang yung aking, diretso na ako sa meet.google.com. Then I'm gonna start a meeting, but before I can start, I have to sign in. So okay, so this one, naka-default kasi yung camera or yung settings sa webcam. So if you want to change this one, simply click yung ating 3 button here. and then click the settings. Okay. And then we have here the audio, so you can use yung which audio you want, kung yung nasa webcam ninyo or yung ating nasa default or yung nasa DroidCam, but preferably mas maganda yung nasa default natin na camera. Okay, and then here sa video, so dito natin i-select. You can actually use yung DroidCam, but however magkakameron lang ng error dito kay DroidCam since ginagamit na, or dito failed, since ginagamit na ng OBS yung ating DroidCam. So one camera lamang, and so select natin dito yung OBS for us to be able to display kung ano yung nasa OBS natin. So sometimes dito merong worry na bigla naka-mirror image, so do not worry. Ang viewers naman natin, ang nakikita nila is yung ating normal screen or yung nasa program ng OBS, not the mirror image. Okay, and then from there you can join, or you can start your video meeting sa Google Meet. Okay, so I think that's all for the also dito sa image, since meron tayong background, I just put another tip here. So for example, you would like to add your name on top, display or logo, name or logo, something like that. So you can do actually a small tawag dito, photo editing using yung Photoshop. So to add your name on top ng inyong video, just simply click add here. So may pinrepair akong image kanina, so I'll just put here my name tag, for example. Okay, and click OK. So yung image na ipiprepare ninyo is PNG. Okay, so bakit PNG? Kasi yung background niya is transparent, like that. So you can add it here, so or you can move it wherever you want to move. So since nasa top siya, so you can move it, for example here. Ayan. So mag-move dito, for example, and then you can move to transition para napunta siya sa ating program. Okay, and then another thing, so pwedeng same name lang, or you can put names na with backgrounds. For example, we'll add here another image. Okay, so I get a name here again. So yung other na repair ko. So pag PNG kasi, yung transparency, as you can see, ayan, so you can put it inside the box with transparency effects. Okay, so like that. So just simply put that there, and then let's do the transition and see, that's already the display that we'll have. Okay, meron tayong name on top. Okay, so again, just check it kung nagdi-display siya. Ito sinasabi ko kanina kasi hindi natin napapansin kanina yung mirror image. So this is the mirror image sa inyong Google Meet, but I'm sure na yung viewers nyo will see not the mirror image. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa program sa inyong OBS, that is what your viewers can see. Okay, and I think that's all, and thank you for watching.